Data architects, we feel your pain. Wrestling with tangled data lake designs that demand perfect balance between governance, cataloging, and cross platform query performance? Our pack delivers medallion architecture templates with bronze, silver, gold zone configurations, automated schema validation pipelines, federated query engines for PrestoDB and Spark SQL, metadata tagging frameworks using Apache Atlas, and cloud agnostic deployment blueprints for AWS, GCP, Azure. This is for data architects designing enterprise scale lakes, engineers automating ETL workflows, DevOps leads managing CI CD pipelines, and cloud specialists optimizing storage costs. Stop swimming in swamps of unstructured data. Build a lake that shines. Here's what's inside the Data Lake Architecture Pack. Medallion Zone implementation with data quality checks at each tier. Metadata management with automated schema registry integration. Federated query optimization using Trino connectors across S3 and Delta Lake. Governance workflows featuring row-level security policies and audit trail automation. Cloud-agnostic infrastructure as code templates for Terraform deployments. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Transform chaotic data chaos into governed gold with zero vendor lock-in. Installing the Data Lake Architecture Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add data lake-pack. That's it. You'll get the complete medallion workflow with sample datasets, governance policy templates, and query federation configurations. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically, no config needed. Your AI assistant now understands data mesh patterns, can debug query performance bottlenecks, and enforces governance best practices. It's like hiring a senior data architect without the coffee addiction. Start building production ready lakes in minutes, not months.